Hi guys, good afternoon. It's a beautiful day today and we are going to harvest our bird's eye pepper. Most of these fruits are ready and some been rotten right off the plants. The weather been really hot lately and by the time it cools down outside, I don't have enough time to really enjoy my garden because I have other things to do outdoor. And today I also have coconut vinegar available to put this pepper to use because we're making sukang sausawan. It's gonna be good.
Mommy? Yes, it's spicy.
I think that's it. I left couple plants on the ground. They need more time to mature, I guess, because they're not having a lot of ripe fruits yet, mostly greens. And we're going back inside the house. Let's go clean and separate the fruits and it will be ready to be mixed with our coconut vinegar. And here's our finished product. I put a whole bunch of peppers in there, garlic and ginger. Hopefully it will be really good after a few days. There you have it. Looks pretty and already smells amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.